Hello everyone, welcome to limits chapter. So first we would understand why do we require to find out the limits. Let's say there is a function f of x and as x tends to value a, there are two possibilities. The may come out to be determinate form or it could be indeterminate. If it is determinate, you simply put the value of x equal to a and you would be able to find out values of f of x. Now, if it is indeterminate form, when you put the value of x equal to a, in that case, you will have to apply different rules of limits to find out the value of f of x as x approaches a. When I say indeterminate form examples, it could be something like 0 by 0, or it could be 1 by 0, or it could be any number by 0, or it could be infinity by infinity. So these are some of the examples of indeterminate form. So whenever a function value of function comes out to be indeterminate form, when you put the exact value of x, in that case we try to use different ways for finding out the value of the function as x approaches it. In that case, there are different rules for finding out the limits, which becomes very useful in that case. So, in the coming sessions, we would be learning more about different ways for finding the limits of for different kinds of functions, and we would see that the how we can remove the indeterminate form value when x approaches to some value for that function. So welcome to limits, and we would be studying more onto this one. Okay.